Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in Deepwoken. This essential item helps you navigate the world and avoid dangerous falls. To craft a basic glider, you will need 2 sticks and 2 pieces of cloth. While some guides mention needing 10 intelligence, the crafting recipe is often automatically available to players. It's a simple and cost-effective way to enhance your mobility. Once you have your glider, using it is straightforward. Simply jump from any elevated position and press the assigned button, often N, to deploy it. For a clever trick to completely negate fall damage, perform an aerial attack just before deploying your glider. This technique is perfect for covering significant distances and safely descending from towering structures. To truly master gliding, consider acquiring specific talents. Aerogliding greatly extends your time in the air, letting you stay aloft for longer. Even more impressively, the old wind talent, part of the gale breathe tree, allows you to glide almost perfectly straight, minimizing your downward trajectory. With these enhancements, you can traverse immense distances, such as from the Hive to the Isle of Vigils, with ease. While incredibly useful, gliders do have limitations. You cannot deploy them while engaged in combat or when exploring the dangerous Layer 2. Also, beware of environmental effects like acid rain, as it can quickly destroy your glider. A regular glider offers about 15 uses. For extended adventures, consider crafting a shark scale glider, which provides a generous 150 uses and requires 2 megalodon hides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.